Hey everybody, David Howard at BuzzBoard here. Today we're going to explore the BuzzBoard database. We're going to do that through the lens of a digital marketing agency that's looking to recruit and prospect businesses in the automobile industry in Austin, Texas. So let's get to it. The starting point for exploring the BuzzBoard database is over here in the Prospect tab. I'm in BuzzBoard Ignite, our AI-powered sales enablement platform. And we've got Austin, Texas selected here. And you can see we have about 2,400 prospects that come up in the automobile category over here. And let's just say we're not limited to just, Austin proper. We want to expand our radius a little bit, say a 30-mile radius around Austin. So we're going to select that. Sets up our filters. We hit find. So that 2,400 record count will increase now because we're expanding our search geographically. So now we're up to almost 4,000 records, 3,800 automobile-based businesses in a 30-mile radius around Austin, Texas. And because we're a digital agency, we want businesses that we know have a website. So let's turn that filter on. Really simple. Just select it. You can see we're Austin, Texas, 30 miles, website. So applying this filter is going to shrink from 3,800, almost 4,000. Now we're down to about 2.5 thousand. Now let's say we're a digital agency that has a sharp focus on paid advertising management. So we're going to narrow this down to automobile businesses that do Facebook and Google ads. So we update our filters. So that was 2,500 is going to come down now. So now we're down to about 800 prospects. That might be, still too many to a manageable list to start prospecting with. So another way to filter that is we provide what we call a buzz score. So a buzz score is essentially aggregate evaluation of the business's technological sophistication or the digital maturity. So we crunch a bunch of our signals to come up with an index value from 0 to 100, 100 being the highest, meaning they're the most digitally mature, a lower number meaning they have less digital maturity. And we find for digital agencies, there's kind of a sweet spot in the 50 to 75 range of the buzz score. And that's because if they have a buzz score that's too high, they might not have much need for your services. And if they have a buzz score too low, they might not have enough technology, marketing, digital marketing happening for you to be able to offer any services. So let's filter that down. So again, we're going to narrow our list down. So now we're down to about 380 prospects. You can see over here, this is the buzz score for this business. 69 here, 66 here, and so on. So once we've identified the prospects from the master database, we're going to add those to our profiles. And our profiles in Ignite, that's our subset of the BuzzBoard master database of all the businesses. So the profiles reflect the ones that, of BuzzBoard's over 30 million businesses, the profiles reflect the ones that we actually care about. So we go over to the Profiles tab, and previously I've added Breaks to Go in Austin. So we have Breaks to Go, Austin, Texas. Here's the website, a phone number, an email address. So let's drill down in to see what we have specifically about Breaks to Go. So we're a digital agency. We think we're probably going to prospect, have services to offer to Breaks to Go. So we drill down, so we get this AI-generated summary. Breaks to Go is a mobile repair brakes service serving Austin, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Houston, providing convenient and affordable brake repairs, high-quality service, high customer satisfaction, and so on. So let's take a look at what we could do for email outreach, for example. So we go over here to the Content tab. And this is the starting point for all the engagement materials. So one thing that we produce here, one thing we see here, is an AI-generated SWOT analysis of the business. And you'll want to take a look at that before you start prospecting, because you'll want to match up your services and your products to where they have weaknesses and where there are opportunities. And you probably want to avoid their strengths. So it looks like Breaks to Go's got a strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. They have some active Google campaigns with a monthly spend, and that's great. They're spending money on Google. Maybe we have something we can offer them there as a digital agency that does paid ads. Let's get down to weaknesses and opportunities. They do spend consistently on Google Ads, but it's limited. And the AI has generated or has determined that compared to the potential market size in the Austin area, they could be spending more on Google. So that's an opportunity for you as a digital agency. And if you're an agency that, in addition to paid services, you do some local business presence management, Yelp and Google My Business, they don't have a consistent presence there. That might be something you could offer them as well. Or an opportunity, same thing. Increase Google ad spend to reach a larger audience to help grow the business. Use paid ads on Facebook to be more specific, get more targeted. So again, if we're an agency that does Facebook and Google ad management, we want to look at these opportunities here around Facebook and Google ad spend as something we might pitch to them and present to them when we approach them. So let's get into that approach. So if we go over here to emails, let's see, I'll just put in my own name and email here, kind of get the ball rolling. And we've got a lot of options. See, this email tone is conversational. Let's see if we try something humorous. And then we go down to generate. So yeah, so when we do generate, we call the AI machine again to regenerate the email based on all available signals and data about the business in our profile. Should only be a second here. So we have over 6,000 signals per business that come in from all sources. We crawl the web, we examine their website, we examine their social media presences. We have APIs with over 120 different sources that we ingest data. And really, if you're paying attention to generative AI, it's really the data that is going to make the difference, right? And that's something particular that we have at BuzzBoard is exhaustive data on small business to help you come up with high impact emails like this one. So let's just read it. So we're generating a humorous email for Breaks to Go, and we say, I put my own name in, Dear David, I noticed your mean machine of a website has been cruising the internet highway for over 7 years. Impressive. But suddenly I'm getting this whiff of untapped potential. Picture this. Owned Google My Business and Yelp pages luring in Austin's car lovers like the scent of fresh coffee at 8 a.m. on a Monday morning. Pair that with our expert digital ad concoctions across Facebook and beyond, where we turn the likes into powerful stopping torque for traffic, and we're not talking about the brake kind. Let's max out that brake service. Rap, hit me up. And then we sign off. So there's lots of fun you can do. And if you don't like the humorous, you can have a more conversational one. But we think the humorous emails are a lot of fun. So yeah, that's automobiles in Austin, Texas. Stay tuned. We're going to do another city and another category in the coming weeks. We'll have lots more of these to explore the BuzzBoard database. And if you want to learn more, come to www.buzzboard.ai. Thanks for watching.